How to create a poll on WhatsApp in just a few easy steps. First, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. Go to the chat where you want to make a poll. You can pick an existing group chat or start a new one. Look for a plus sign, plus at the bottom left corner of the chat screen. Tap on it, and then choose Poll from the menu that pops up. In the question box, type out what you want to ask your group. Keep it simple and clear. Below your question, you can type in the different answers people can pick from. You can add up to 12 options. If you want people to pick more than one answer, make sure the Allow Multiple Answers option is turned on. If you want to limit them to just one choice, turn it off. If you want to rearrange the options, just drag them up or down using the 3 lines next to each choice. Once you're happy with everything, tap Send to share your poll in the chat. Everyone can vote, and you'll see the results in real time. Creating a poll is a super quick way to get everyone's opinion.